Hi everyone, happy Saturday. We are doing a sewer line repair at a home outside of Berthoud, just to the west of Berthoud in the foothills. We dug up, hand excavated out the sewer line and exposed some severe settling and poor backfill conditions. So let's go take a look. This is the old sewer line that came out of the area we're going to take a look at next with the new sewer line in it. And you can see all of the deformity. Now, keep in mind, this was hand excavated out. We exposed this all by hand. No machine damaged it during the archaeology process to really determine what was happening there. So there was settling occurring going in right before the septic tank, and it actually pinched itself out of the septic tank. There's very large rocks pushing on the sewer pipe itself, very poor backfill. Let's go take a look at the new section. It is pretty warm out today, so we've got it easy up set up, but you can see a new section of sewer line. That's the work that got completed, and right there at the concrete going into the septic tank is where the sewer line actually pulled out of the septic tank and deformed itself, causing a backup in the house. So you can see all the nice backfill, all the nice gravel. This is going to be a very long lasting system now.